Welcome to Sunny Calf, miss. Would you like to see the menu?
Good afternoon. Yes, please. This is my first time here.
Wonderful. Here's our menu. We have a variety of coffees, teas, fresh juices, and some delicious desserts.
Everything looks so good. What do you recommend?
If you like coffee, our cappuccino is very popular. If you prefer something sweet, our chocolate cake is a customer favorite.
Everything sounds good. I think I'll start with a drink first.
Of course, we have coffee, tea, smoothies, fresh juices, and also some cold soft drinks.
Do you have iced coffee?
Yes, we do. Iced latte, iced mocha, and iced Americano.
I'll take an iced latte, please. Medium size.
Great choice. And for food? Would you like to order now or later?
Let's see. I'm quite hungry, so I'll order now. What do you recommend for lunch?
If you prefer something light, I'd suggest our grilled chicken sandwich. If you want a full meal, the grilled salmon is very popular.
I think I'll go with the salmon. It sounds healthy.
Excellent. Would you like it with mashed potatoes or steamed rice?
Steamed rice, please. And maybe a small salad, too.
Absolutely. One iced latte, grilled salmon with rice, and a small salad. Would you like to try our soup as a starter?
You said the soup of the day is mushroom soup, right?
Yes. Creamy mushroom soup. Many customers love it.
Okay, I'll take that too. Why not?
Perfect. That will be your starter. Anything for dessert?
I'll decide later. Let's see how full I feel after lunch.
Perfect. So, mushroom soup and cheesy garlic bread. I'll place the order now.
Great, thank you.
Perfect. So, mushroom soup and cheesy garlic bread. I'll place the order now.
Great, thank you.
Here you are. One bowl of creamy mushroom soup and cheesy garlic bread on the side.
Wow, this smells amazing.
Hope it tastes as good as it smells. Please enjoy.
Takes a spoonful. It's so creamy and smooth. Not too salty, not too bland. Just right.
That's wonderful to hear. Our chef makes the stock fresh every morning.
No wonder it tastes so fresh. And this garlic bread, crispy on the outside, soft inside. Perfect combination.
I'm glad you like it. Many customers say this is their favorite starter.
I can see why. This is really comforting.
Whenever you're ready, would you like me to help you choose your main course?
Yes, please. There are so many options. It's hard to decide.
No problem. You feel like having something light, like pasta or salad, or something more filling, like chicken or fish?
I think something more filling. I skipped breakfast today.
I would recommend our grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce. It comes with a choice of mashed potatoes or steamed rice.
That sounds tempting. Do you also have chicken dishes?
Yes, we have grilled chicken breast, chicken pasta, and spicy chicken curry with rice.
Oh, curry sounds interesting. Is it very spicy?
We can adjust the spice level. Mild, medium, or hot, whichever you prefer.
I think I'll keep it mild. I don't want to burn my tongue.
So, would you like to try the curry instead of the salmon?
Tough choice. You know what, I'll go with the salmon. It sounds healthier.
Excellent choice. Would you like it with mashed potatoes or steamed rice?
Steamed rice, please.
Perfect. And would you like a side salad with that?
Yes, a small salad would be nice.
Here's your grilled salmon with rice and salad.
Wow, it looks amazing. So colorful.
Thank you. Please enjoy.
Oh my, this is delicious. So juicy, and the sauce is perfect.
I'm glad you like it. Salmon is delivered fresh every morning.
That explains the taste. And the salad is so fresh and crunchy.
Yes, we use organic vegetables from local farms.
That's wonderful. Supporting local farmers is important.
Exactly. Our owner believes in healthy and sustainable food.
That's really inspiring. I think more restaurants should do this.
Shall I bring the bill?
Yes, please.
Your total is $26.40.
Everything was wonderful. The food, the service, the atmosphere.
That makes me so happy to hear. We always try to make our guests feel comfortable, like they're at home.
Good food is like art, it deserves to be appreciated.
That's one of the best compliments we can receive. Honestly, conversations like this make my job meaningful.
Exactly. It feels less like a transaction and more like a human connection.
Goodbye, miss. Take care, and may your day be as warm as your smile.
Thank you. See you soon.